guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make a travel itinerary on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to just search for your travel itinerary on the Canva search bar, and you would see a whole lot of lists and um, slides made on them. So we have these, we have a whole lot. So but see, if you're looking for something catchy, you can try something like this or even this, depending on the one you want. So if you are planning to go for a trip, you can have any of these, or you're organizing one for your friends or family, you can create something like this and add that little bit of flair and taste to your group chats instead of sending it with the normal just unorganized and not fresh. So guys, what you have to do is just to customize this template and slot in your different activities with your destination. So that is how to create a modern travel itinerary on Canva. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.